there are some words which are written in front of main word, like unlock. Let's see the example of unlock. Now, unlock in this word, what is common? Like, see, un and lock. In rewrite, re and write. So lock is a root word and write is a root word. There are some words which are added in front of this root word. Like here in unlock, un is added, and in write, re is added. So what this un and re called? This un and re called as prefix. Okay. Now prefix is what? When some word is added before the root word is called as prefix. Keep in mind, before the root word. Okay, before root word, not after. Never get confused between this, because there are the two concepts like prefix and suffix. In prefix, words are added before the root word, and in suffix, words are added after the root words, like after. Okay, so never get confused between prefix and suffix. Prefix, pre. Okay, pre. Keep in mind, pre. That means before. Okay, pre means before. So prefix. So prefix in this unlock, un, re, rewrite, dislike. Like is a root word and dislike is this is prefix. Okay, now let's see the next example. Next example is about other words. Have a look towards this. Like the trust. Trust is a root word. True is a root word. Hook is a root word. Now what is prefix? Dish, you, and un. These are the prefix. Let's see the next example. What are the root words in the next? Root words are like disclose. Okay, so close. Root prefix is dish. Mix is a root word. Okay, sorry. I'm going under. I'm doing here the underline to this all. Root word is mix and re is prefix. Root word is safe. Root word is safe. And here the prefix is un. And safe is a root word. Lucky is a what? Lucky is a root word and un is a prefix. Show, shown is a root word. This, own is root word and this is what? Prefix. So in this way what we can do? We can identify prefix and the root word. So what is the definition of prefix? Definition of prefix is the word which is added before the root word is known as prefix, and prefix change the meaning of word. The word which is added before the root word to change the meaning of something is known as prefix. Okay, see here that the prefix are added to the beginning of the root word or a base word. Prefix are added to the beginning of root word or a base word. Okay, prefix change the meaning of particular word. Okay, now let's see what is the meaning of re, dis and un. Okay, let's see the meaning of this all prefix. What this or when and how we can use this all prefix. We cannot add relock. Okay, we cannot add the word relock. We can unwrite. We cannot write over here re-like. Okay, why we cannot add any of the prefix with any of the word? हम किसी भी root word के साथ कोई भी prefix क्यों नहीं लगा सकते? Because these words prefix also having a some meaning. Okay, like the re means what? Re is for doing it again. Okay, in this way. Okay, let's see the meaning of each prefix, and this time you people are going to write it. Okay, students. Now let's play a game. based on the same thing, that is our today's topic, prefix. Okay, here you will get the clue and you need to fix it with the help of the box which is given at the top. Now today is the turn of roll number 31 to 50, 31 to 40. So we are going to unmute Nimish. Nimish, unmute yourself.
Hello, teacher.
So Nimish, are you ready to play the game?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So what you can see, will you please read it for me?
Yes, okay, teacher.
Yeah, start.
Prefix. Prefix are add to the beginning of root or base word. When you add a prefix to a base word,
You change
you change the word's meaning. Pre, before, and
yes.
not opposite. Miss, wrong, under, below.
Okay, some common prefix are re for again or back, dis for not, pre for before, un for not or opposite, or miss is wrong, and under means below. So these are the common prefix. Now first word, what is written over here?
Play.
Okay, and at the next side, right side column, what is written?
To play again.
Which prefix will come over here?
Re.
R-E,
Re.
re. Okay, now next. Next,
Below age.
below age. Okay, so which prefix will come? Like re for again, dis for not, pre for before, un for opposite or not, miss for wrong, under for below. So what prefix will come over here?
Under.
Yes, absolutely right. What? Under.
Under.
Now next.
Print. To print incorrectly or wrongly.
Okay, so what prefix will come over here? Which prefix means as wrong? Miss. Okay.
Misprint.
Yeah. Good. Now next student. Next student. Advait Bhagwat.
Teacher,
Advait
can I
Bhagwat,
unmute?
unmute yourself. Yeah, you mute yourself,
Yes,
Nimish.
teacher.
Good try. Now tell me what prefix I should add in the front of next word, like the able. The hint is given as not. Not able.
Unable.
Unable is also right and disable is also right. Okay, like the disabled people or unable to do the something. So what I should write over here? You finally you want to say that un, right?
Yes, teacher.
Unable. Now next. To heat before. Which word will come over here? Which prefix I should add with heat to mean the same thing? To heat before. Prefix used for the showing before. Tell me and I'm going to write it for you.
Under.
Under. Advait, tell me. Tell me anyone. I have to write over here. You're playing game. You're taking lot of time. Advait. No problem. I think so. Advait is facing some of the problem. Let's unmute somebody else. Roll number 38, Sarvesh. 38, Sarvesh, unmute yourself. Okay. What prefix will come in front of heat? The instructions are written to heat before. Which prefix we use to show the or to indicate pre things, like preheat. Okay. Now next is to wind back or again. So rewind. Now next, honest. Not honest means what? Dishonest. What will come next? To treat wrongly or badly. To treat wrongly or badly. Which prefix will come over here? Yash, unmute yourself. Yash.
Yes, teacher.
Your network is not proper. Mute yourself. Arth, unmute yourself. Arth.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now Arth, you tell me what prefix I should add over here to treat wrongly or badly. Tell me. Which prefix will come over here? To treat wrongly or badly. Okay. One I'm going to do for you, like the mistreat. Okay, now next, not tied. Which prefix will come over here? Re or dish or pre or un or miss or under. Which prefix will come over here? Arth. Tell me. Select anyone, no problem. If you are wrong, I'm going to tell you the right one. Okay? But you need to select one as we are playing game. So tell me fast, your time is up now.
Untreat.
Untied. Okay. Now next, water. Below the water. Below the water. Which prefix you are going to add here? Re or dis or pre or un or miss or under?
Underwater.
Underwater. Okay. Now happy. Now this time I'm not going to enforce you what you're going to do. You need to read and you need to tell me. Not happy. Unhappy. Arth.
Yes.
Tell me what will come over here.
Not happy.
Not happy. Is there not is prefix? Is not is prefix. What prefix will come over here? Re or dis or pre or un or miss or under.
Happy.
Unhappy. UN. Okay. Now next, last one. View. View. To view before. To view before. Which prefix will come for before? Re or dis or pre or not or miss or under? Tell me fast. See, if you want to take help of this like pre and before. So here it is written to view before. What will come in front of you? Preview. What will come over here? Preview. Okay. So let's try to find out whether our answer is wrong or right. Here it is showing everything right in the green color, like 9 out of 10. But why it is showing that unable is wrong? Because it's a computerized print, and sometimes it shows like that. Not able, unable we can also write, like, because this is used for not also, and un is also used for not. So disable and unable. Okay, so not able to do some of the work or disable, both are having the same meaning. So you can consider it right only. Okay, so here our game is over. I hope that the meaning of each prefix is clear to you all. Okay, now